So this is week 57, Friday, number 4, and it says, as shown in the figure on the right or bottom, triangle ABC is divided into 6 smaller triangles by the lines shown from the vertices through a common interior point. The area of the area of 4 of these triangles are as indicated. Find the area of ABC. So we can start by using something called Siva's theorem. And it says that if 3 cedians, which are just segments in a triangle from a vertice to the other side, meet at one point, which is here, then that means that the area over here times the area over here times the area over here equals the other 3 areas made. So it's just like that. And so we get that 84 times 40 times 35 equals to 30, and let's say this is x, and this is y. So then we find that xy will equal to oh no 80 times 40 times 84 times 40 times 35 divided by 30, 3920. And we also know that prime factorization of that is just 2 to the 4 times 5 times 7 squared. And so we also want good proportioning of these. So we want, like, for example, this to this equals to this. So let me just erase all of these real quick. So we want, like, stuff x and y such that, like, this triangle to this triangle also equals to these big triangles because same base, right? So we have to make the proportions match too. And that's, like, pretty easy because we find that 7 squared is, like, good because most of the things are divided by 7. And we also find that if these tend to be multiples of 10, which are good, and these tend to be multiples of 7. And so we find that we can use the numbers 56 over here and 70. The other case is just 80 and 49, but, like, because you just want to keep it in that range of numbers as shown in the picture. Sometimes they're drawn to scale, but this one is kind of not. But, like, let's say we use 80 and 49. Then that means that these two triangles wouldn't be proportionate because the area of this to this is 20 to 21, but the area of this 843 isn't of this to this is not 20 to 21. And so that means that if we have 70 and 56 on the other hand, we find that this is 14 to 140 to 175, which is 20 to 25, which is 4 to 5. And these two are also 4 to 5, I believe. Wait, let me check that real quick. 175, 74. Oh, wait, shoot. Not here. And so we see that the proportions match out because this is just 6 to 5. And this is, if you add them up, 56, 4, 56, and 35. Then 175 to 140, and you see that it checks out. So after having 70 and 56, we find that it works. And so after adding them up, you get 315 as the answer.